And this is how it looks on the back of my hand. Like, what? It looks like I didn't even put anything on. Ah, this bag is so amazing. Yep, that's me. Hey fashion flies, welcome back to the channel. That's so Allegra. I'm Allegra for those who don't know. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today we're going to be doing something new that I'm really excited about. It is going to be a review on my IPSY GLAM bag. Okay, so if you're not familiar with IPSY, it's very simple and cool. You pretty much take a quiz, you choose the plan you want. This is the $15 membership where they send you 5 items based on your quiz. 5 random items each month, $15 a month. I'm actually going to upgrade to the $25 a month because you get full-size items. So anything I don't use or open, you know, I will put in my giveaway pile. So whenever, you know, I get my next giveaway ready, it'll be full of nice, cute beauty stuff. Even more reason to subscribe, okay? I'm really excited to see what I got. So I'm just gonna get right into it. Open it up. The bag is so cute. It's like this cute little ombre and it says IPSY on the front. Ah, don't look at my nails, y'all. Quarantine. I have not been able to get them done. But look how cute this bag is. Ah, so one of my items is a brush, because it was already out and about. It couldn't fit in the bag. And this brush is by IPSY GLAM, and it is a blender brush. And it looks so nice and fluffy, and it feels really good. Oh my gosh, I love this. This could be a nice, you know, new blending brush. I don't really wear eyeshadow, but it'll be nice for like highlighting, maybe, you know, highlighting under my brow. Or sometimes I do like to just sweep a nice glitter color across my lid. You know, that's very neutral. So this would be great for that. Let's unzip the bag and see what we've got. Next we have a Tarte H2O gloss, and it's so cute and mini, perfect to fit in your little purse. But look at her, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. And the color is Sail Away, and it's like this nice pink color. This is cute. I could actually see myself wearing this, so I like that. Next we have Catherine Malardino Special Moments perfume. Oh, I did say I like perfume, y'all, and I've been wanting some new perfume. I totally sprayed it the wrong way, but ooh, she's nice and sweet, and that's the kind of, you know, perfume I chose. You know, I like that sweet and, you know, flower smell, very elegant. Okay, so far so good. Next we have a Yensa Color and Face Skin On BC Concealer. Wow, and they got my color. I'm like, of course, you obviously take a quiz, you know, about your skin tone and how does it look. And wow, let me just rub it in to see how it blends in with my skin. And this is how it looks on the back of my hand. Like, what? It looks like I didn't even put anything on. Ah, this bag is so amazing. Okay, let's see what we have finally. Now we have an Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. It's a Soothe and De-Stress by First Aid Beauty. Honestly, y'all, I really love this bag. This was a great first impression from someone who's never tried this. You know, I was nervous, like, what if they send things that I just totally hate and I don't like, and I love everything, like from the brush, the concealer, the perfume, the lip gloss. This is all things that on my quiz I said that I liked. So that's how you know it works and it's great, and it's just so freaking cool. And you get to keep bags and collect them each month. I really like the idea of just taking a quiz and getting products so you get to know different brands and try new things out. That is just like very smart, whoever invented that. But yep, that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed my IPSY haul. Stay tuned for the next one because we will be getting full-sized products and I am so excited for it. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.